In the heart of Delhi lives a determined young girl named Maya. Despite her challenging circumstances, she carries an unwavering ambition within her, the desire to educate herself. Her father lovingly helps her with her shoes, a simple act that symbolizes the support and encouragement he offers. Hand in hand, Maya's father guides her through the winding streets towards the school. Their footsteps paint a picture of determination, each step a testament to their shared belief in the transformative power of education. As they walk, curious eyes follow their journey, for it is not a common sight to witness children from their neighborhood on their way to school. On the road, Maya pauses for a moment, her gaze fixed on a car. In that fleeting moment, her yearning to educate herself and fulfill her family's dreams is reflected in her eyes. The gates of knowledge open before Maya as she finally arrives at her school. Her father, standing by her side, takes a moment to wish her goodbye and offers his heartfelt encouragement. He reminds her to embrace the joy of learning and seize every opportunity that awaits her within those walls.